like an office center. The little bar area. Welcome to my room at the Intercontinental in Crete in Greece. This is this hotel hasn't been open before. It's basically brand new this year. So we paid for our stay for 4 nights with 2 certs for $40K and points. So let me show you around the room. We got upgraded to it's a sea view with the pool outside. But people share the pool, but it's pretty nice. So if you first walk in the door, you have a luggage area to put your luggage here and open your stuff. Here you have some robes, ironing board, hang your coats and clothes up. And over here, slippers, hairdryer, safe. Nothing. And of course we have an espresso machine with some pods, some Nescafe, creamer, sugar, induction kettle. And here's some glasses. These I think you have to pay for. And this is the list for room service, a la carte menu. Shadow. Not horrible prices. Down here we have a mini bar. And it's stocked that you're gonna have to pay for all of this. This is not free. When in need, you've got it though. Right here behind your coat rack and such, we have your central wash area with these by radio hand wash and lotion. Shower cap. If you miss anything, you can request it. Cups. Those are pool towels. And let's get right to the business here. This is a toilet. Do not have a bidet, but private area for your bathroom is always nice. Over here, separate shower area. Rain shower. More amenities for your hair. Body wash. All right. In the room, you got your temperature control. Nice big flat screen TV. Bedside reading lights. King size bed. Seems nice. You get a pillow menu. You can get your type of pillows and you can choose them. Here you have USB-C and A. Power outlet and your central light. So if you don't bring a universal power adapter, you can use your regular cords if you have them. Nice. Over here, another bedside reading lamp and table, and more USB-C and A charging. And you got a rest area. You can eat some snacks. If you have in-room dining, chair, more plugs, lights. Now, it's nighttime, so I'll take another picture of this tomorrow, but off of our room, we have a private little seating area for our outdoor balcony. And then our own loungers for the pool. Overlooking the sea. This is pretty cool. The breakfast is $33 a person, $25 a person, buffet style if you pay in advance for all the nights you stay. We may or may not get breakfast at that rate. So we got our welcome drink voucher for each day, $15 coupon. So it's not too bad. And the upgrade's really nice. So I'll show you around the rest of the hotel, and you can check out the bar area. The spa and gym are included, and I think that's on the 5th and 4th floor, the pool. And that doesn't cost extra. You can just use them as a guest. So let's get to it. So you got a steam room, showers, changing rooms, lockers, and then there's a sauna and the pool, and then there's the water jets and area. And back there is the area where you can get spa services and massages and products. You can use this for free in IHG as a hotel guest, but not the massages or the products. Those are cost extra.
And I'll take a picture of you.